everybody, I'm Bob.
I'm Kaya. Yeah.
And it's Food and Booze Friday! Yay! Review of Spice Road Table. We are sans Kelly because Kelly is not into spices very much. And she's not very adventurous when it comes to like Mediterranean or exotic foods. So this is me and Kaya alone.
Yep.
So we're gonna try this out and we're gonna show you what we get and then we're gonna let you know how we like it. So we've been sat in Spice Road Table. Shut up.
You just recorded a whole thing.
Recorded a whole thing without recording. Okay, so the decor, you know, typical Moroccan, I would assume. It's got nice windows. I like these arched windows. And look, there's the Epcot ball right there. So we were looking at the menu, and Kaya's already decided a drink for her. Here, this is the iced mint tea, right? How is it?
It's really good.
It's really good? Okay, cool. Is it sweetened?
Yeah. It tastes like sweet mint.
Okay, cool.
Pretty subtle though.
Pretty subtle? So we're gonna figure out what we want. We're gonna figure out what we want. This is small plates, so we're gonna get probably 3 or 4 and just kind of test them all. So, and when we order, we'll let you know what we order, and then we will tell you what it's like, okay?
We got drink number 2. I don't know what it's called.
A Medina Mixer, I believe. It has Star African Rum, Vanderham Tangerine Liqueur, and Cranberry Juice. I don't think I've ever had tangerine liqueur before. Now that's easy to drink. I don't really taste the rum, but I can taste the tangerine and the cranberry. So it's almost like a rum Cosmo. Pretty much like a rum Cosmo.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good. Okay. Ooh, and look, it's got a cute little Spice Road Table. I don't know if you can see it or not.
Not very well.
How do you feel about the atmosphere?
I like it.
I like it too.
It's very cool.
Yeah.
That's cooler than I thought it would be.
We'll have to walk around after, you know, we get some food or whatever and check this place out because it's pretty groovy. I like these little, it's like we're in a private area because they've got these little screens that separate us, which is cool. So anyway, just waiting for our food. We ordered the Spice Road Table sampler, the spicy shrimp, and the non-spread with extra bread. We just got to tell you about this table covering. It's tin. It's made out of tin and it's like stamped. But it's weird is when you put your glass down, it feels like there's something on the bottom of your glass.
I mean, like, I thought that my glass was like plastic.
I know. I thought I had like some kind of thing on the bottom, but no, it's the table cover that's stapled to a wooden table.
Yeah.
And Donald's like covering up the cool star. So it's got this embossed, you know, stamp.
It's embossed.
It is cool. It's very cool. But it's weird, so don't get freaked out if you put your cup down because it moves.
We already investigated this.
Yeah, it's pretty weird.
We have like, I don't know what this is. That's why I'm not filming
That
it.
is the non-spread. It's like
so this is hummus and olive oil.
Yeah, it's hummus
and then some other thing.
Kind of like an olive tamponade.
And then we have more naan.
Let me see what it says it is.
And then I don't know what the rest of this is. This is chicken. Right here. That is lamb kefta.
That's spiced chicken.
That's kefta.
That's the tara patakia. And that's the kefta.
Okay.
Lamb kefta.
Okay.
Okay, and in the hummus we have hummus, chermoula, and marinated olives.
Yeah, and olive oil.
And olive oil.
All I did was the olive oil, not the hummus.
You didn't do the hummus?
No, because I don't really vibe with it.
I love hummus.
The bread?
The bread's really good. Got a nice chew to it. I like, the hummus is yummy. It's full of garlic. And that's the way I like it. The naan bread is amazing. It's still warm too, so that's really awesome. Right? That's the chermoula.
I like it.
You like the chermoula?
There's two. The guy inside it has one and the other one just going through that.
Yeah, that's really good. I wish I knew what was in it. It's almost like an olive tamponade, which is just a bunch of crushed up olives with olive oil and got a little bit of spice. There's a little, probably like a 3 on the spice meter. The kefta is really good. I mean, it's got a different flavor, kind of the lamb thing going on.
The more I eat it, the more I really like it.
Mm-hmm. But it has a bit of a spice. Not much, but just enough.
It's just like a tad bit.
Right. The spicy shrimp. Okay, here we go. You need to try one.
Thank you.
What do you think?
You could probably handle it.
Oh yeah, that's got such a good flavor, and it's not spicy at all, but it has enough spice for yumminess, right? It's hard to explain.
This is my favorite thing so
It's
far.
very tangy, but we still got to try this. I can't remember what that's called.
It's something that starts with a T.
Yeah, tamalalala. And then the spicy, what is it, chicken? Spicy chicken? Spiced chicken. Spicy chicken is really good. It kind of tastes like it has a little bit of 5 spice in it. We have yet to try this though. I'm about to dig into this one. And I can't remember the name of it. It just breaks my heart. Can't even get it apart. So we're just gonna take the whole shebang. That is like a cheese-filled wonton, isn't it?
Cheese
With phyllo, like a phyllo dough.
It is phyllo.
I know, but it's like cheese-filled. It's good. Yummy, 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 yummy. Here's our dessert. I know this is caradipita, and this is something I can't remember what it was, but this is a crescent cookie. But this is kind of like baklava with honey, with syrup. And this is like a honey cake, is what he said. And then of course a cookie is a cookie with almonds on it. So we'll have to let you know what it's like. Kai's going into the caradipita.
Really good. That's really good.
Is it really good? What's it taste like?
It's like sweet carrot cake.
Okay, so it's like a sweet carrot cake. All right.
Yeah, carrot dipita.
Caradipita.
And it's carrot.
Uh-huh.
It's really good. It's like soaked in simple syrup.
Oh yeah, that's really good. It's almost like like she said, a carrot cake that's very sweet. Almost like a nut bread too. Kind of like if a nut bread and a carrot cake had a baby, that would be it right there. It's good. Now try this one.
I'm trying that.
Okay, that's like phyllo dough. Like you said, it's like baklava. It's a phyllo dough roll that's like kind of soaked in syrup, like pancake syrup. It's good, very good. The cookie good?
I'll make better.
It was kind of amazed me the cookie's soft. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it's good. It's good. I would eat that cookie. I would buy those cookies. They're good. I'm kind of liking the baklava stuff the best actually. Desserts were good. I'm gonna give big thumbs up for that.
Yeah, they were good.
we just finished our meal at this bistro table. In case you wanted to, if you didn't know, it's in Morocco.
Yeah.
So it's like Morocco, Mediterranean kind of food. It's got like grapes and olives. That's what it is. Olives, hummus, naan bread.
Yeah.
It was really good. I liked it a lot. I would be back.
Yeah, me too.
It was very affordable too. For the two of us, it was $70, and that included alcoholic beverage.
Yeah, and non-alcoholic beverage.
And non-alcoholic beverage. So.
And dessert.
Yeah, and I thought it was very reasonable. It's small plates, but I'll tell you what, it really fills you up.
Yeah.
Because we couldn't finish the non-spread, which would have like the hummus and stuff in it. We couldn't finish it. It was just too much. But I really enjoyed it. On the scale of 1 to 10, what are you going to give it?
7.
A 7? I'm going to give it a 7 as well. I mean, there are some flavors that are, it's kind of hard to identify, but it's got like a nice tangy spice to it. There was a little bit of 5-spice flavor into the chicken.
But it wasn't like bothersome.
No, it wasn't overpowering, which was good. So, yeah, Spice Road table.
Yep.
Good to go. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do that. Please. What the hell are you doing?
Subscribe button.
Oh. Give us a big old thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you can know when we're going to put up something else, alright? So we're going to say bye for now.
Bye for now.
And we'll see you next time.
Love you, bye.